Hey guys, this is day number 9, dose number 18. I'm losing weight every day. I feel good. I'm not really hungry. Still have cravings for food just because I want to eat something. Then I drove past McDonald's today and I saw the McRib is back, and I love the McRib, and I was like, ugh, but didn't get one. So it's all good, but I gotta get ready to go to work. It's almost 10 o'clock. I go to work at 11. So anyway, I'm gonna take my dose number 18 and weigh myself in the morning, let you know what the weight is, and I'm just gonna probably eat just like a salad or something tonight at work, and with some grilled chicken, and that's gonna be about it. And I ate about a half cup of oatmeal this morning, and piece of chicken breast for lunch, and that's about it. But anyway, the diet's working, pushing forward. So let me take my medicine, and I will be back in the morning. I call it medicine. It's HCG. It's, not really medicine, but that's what I call it. So, all right, dose number 18 in the books. I will see you in the morning.